All right, hi, I'm Magic Ben. I have here my friend Ken. So Ken, we've I know you as a friend, of course, but we've not prepared anything. You've never seen this trick before.
Never seen it.
And okay, so I have some cards here. I'll show for the camera. They're just flags of the world. Okay, so basically, like this is Yemen, and it's primarily composed of red, white, and black. Okay, so Ken, I'm going to ask you to just give that a quick shuffle. Okay. Very good, thank you. And so for a lot of my say entertaining career or entertaining escapades, I started not as a magician but as a juggler. So and I've done shows large and small, and I started actually, one of the memorable shows I had done, a couple of series of shows, was with a magician doing stage magic, so it was really neat. And I was the president of the juggling club in college, and I've done all sorts of things, different juggling things. So I can juggle knives and fire and stuff, but these are just juggling pins, so we'll just do a simple thing here, and they're, you know, different colored juggling pins. So I'm gonna just start juggling here. So at some point, Ken, you're gonna get the urge to just tell me to stop, and I'm gonna stop when you say so.
Stop.
Stop. Okay, like that. So now you got the urges to say to stop whenever you wanted, and I stopped close to, I think as close as I could to when you wanted me to. Is that
Correct.
fair? Yeah,
that's fair.
So we have we stopped at a certain these. If you think of these colors, they were juggled, right? So we stopped at this particular sequence of colors, red, white, and blue. Okay. And of course, you had I showed you we had a lot of cards that you shuffled, and again you stopped at a specific sequence of colors. Now, what country do you think has a flag that has red, white, and blue?
United States.
The United States of America.
Wow.
So thank you. I'm Magic Ben.
Good job.
So.